So, home, you know, beautiful day outside, beautiful day. My beautiful wife has made us a fire here. Oops, if you can see that. Awesome fire. This is what I did in the backyard. I made a shield. And I'm gonna train with it. And that's what's gonna happen. You'll see that. Stay tuned. Everybody see, this is the shield I made. It's supposed to be perfectly circular around and then have a metal buckler on the front. But it works. It works really good. Yeah, that's what I did today. What'd you do today? So we're going to test out the shield. My wife is going to use a sword, and I'm going to use my new shield that I made. So here we go. See if we can get the shot. All right, attack! 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 Again! That was awesome! That was awesome!